Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we're making a crab rangoon burrito. I'm starting off with two cream cheese and 1 pound of Imitation crab flakes. You could use real crab if you choose, but this is easier, so I'm all for easy. Okay, I think I'm going to save that piece for me in a minute. And then a splash of sesame seed oil, splash of soy sauce, tablespoon of sugar to balance it all out. Okay, and then we're going to go in there with just a little bit, just a little bit of diced onions, or you can use shallots. Okay, so what we need to do is get our mixers out and get this mixed up. Okay, and that's what it looks like, all mixed up. And now we're going to want to put that in our burrito wrap. Okay, you're going to want to get the biggest burrito wrap that you can find. All right, and then take your mixture and put it in there just like this. Bring your notice the two sides don't have mixture on them because we're going to bring it in. Just like that. Now we're going to fold. And then we're going to fold. And fold. Okay. You're going to, I have my oil here. It is not yet heated up, which I got to get it heated up first before I drop these in. You'll put the folded side down first. Okay, let me get another one. The mixture. Fold both sides. Fold it. Fold again. And then fold again. Okay. So I'm pretty sure you've got that down pat now. Very easy. This is very easy. I think maybe the hardest part is getting that mixture. I used a spatula like this to kind of smash it down. But hey, if you got to use your hands, no judgment here. I use my hands to cook all the time. I'm a hands-on person. Just always wash your hands. Okay, I'm going to make a few more, and then I'm going to get that oil hot. Okay, friends, let's work on getting that oil hot. Okay, folded side down. Place your, oh, looking good. See that cooking? We want to get these crisp. Okay, we will fry these up, and we'll obviously flip that over, and then we're going to take a peek at them. And these are going to be nice and crispy. I just turned them over. When I do take these out, I want to put them on a paper towel. Okay, plate, paper towel. So any oil that's on them the towel will soak them up. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And I am going to have mine with some sweet red chili sauce. All right, now let's check it out. This is just delicious for this Sunday afternoon. This is really good. This is going to be great for my family to snack on. And in fact, my daughter requested it, so it is done. Okay, friends, if you would like to see more budget-friendly videos, please subscribe and don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Okay, friends, don't forget, keep cooking, and I love you all.